Sobrang nagva-virus na naman ngayon ang issue na to, mga sigarilyo. Ang issue about sa 299 pesos na ring. To give you a little bit background on what really happened, itong si ate girl ay may karelasyon siya for 8 years. Ngayon, binigyan siya ng BF niya ng engagement ring worth 299 pesos. Ngayon, itong si ate girl na-hurt. Kasi kesyo daw ito lang ba talaga yung value niya sa kanya? Bakit 299 pesos lang ang engagement ring na binigay sa akin? And confused siya kung tama ba talaga yung nararamdaman niya. And she also doesn't know if she should confront her BF about her feelings or hahayaan na lang niya. Ngayon, ito talaga yung pinakamaling ginawa ni ate girl, no, mga sigarilyo. At yun ay, pinost pa niya sa social media ang mga hanas niya. Pinublicize, binulgar. It is thrown out in the open where it is super open for scrutiny. So ang ending ay super binash itong si lalaki, ano? Sinabihan siya na cheap lang daw siya at kung ano-ano pang mga negative comments without even knowing the full scope of the story. So inevitably, nakarating ito sa lalaki and this is what he has to say. Well guys, if I have to put my 2 cents on the matter, parehas lang silang may mali. Unang-unang pagkakamali dito ay yung kay ate. For the love of God, bakit mo pa kasi pinost sa SOCMED ang problema mo? Those things are supposed to be private and should be handled by the both of you lang. Or with your loved ones or immediate family member if things escalate a little bit further. Pero dapat hanggang dun lang yun. Ito naman kay kuya, naiintindihan ko naman siya. Na breadwinner siya. So it means na wala talaga siguro siyang pera pambili ng mamahaling ring. Pero dude, engagement ring kasi yan. Personally, kung ako ito, pag-iipunan ko yan. Kasi I know for a fact that women are emotional creatures. And special sa kanila yung mga ganitong klaseng events or occasions. Hindi ako magmamadaling bumili ng ring, no? Until nahanap ko na talaga yung tamang ring na alam ko kapag binigay ko sa kanya ay super matutuwa siya. Then kapag nahanap ko na yung ring, pag-ipunan ko. That is the person that I am lang din kasi, no? Priceless kasi para sa akin yung makita ko yung itsura ng pinagbigyan ko and watch their face light up and super happy sila. Para sa akin, it's a reward on its own. I mean, well, that's me, no? I don't know about you guys. Number 3 na pagkakamali, and I know a ton of couples who are lacking this trait in their relationships. And that trait is communication. Kasi isipin mo, kung sinabi lang sana ni ate ang feelings niya diretso dun sa boyfriend niya and did not seek any kind of validation sa social media, malamang sa malamang na malaman na palaman na alamang, mas nagkaintindihan na sana sila ngayon. And things did not get out of hand like what's happening right now. Guys, it's a statistical fact that couples who communicate with each other lasts longer. And researchers have the data to back this up. Just check out the article right here. Here's the number 1 thing that destroys relationships, say researchers who studied couples for 50 years. As a psychologist and sexologist, we've been studying relationships for more than 50 years combined, and we've found that no matter how you slice it, most of them fail because of poor communication. Pero if you ask me kung valid ba talaga yung feelings ni ate dun sa 299 pesos na ring, yes, of course, that's valid. Because I know for a fact that women are emotional beings. And I am sure yung emotions niya nung time na pinost niya yon does not reflect on how she really feels about the entirety of their relationship. Pero sana hindi talaga niya pinost sa SOCMED yun, tsaka kinausap na lang sana niya yung boyfriend niya. Also, valid din naman yung feelings dito ni Guy. Para daw kasi sa lalaki, promise ring lang daw yon at hindi wedding ring. And from that tone, I'm guessing na babawi siya kapag wedding ring na yung binigay niya. Pero alam nyo, kung ako yon at no choice na talaga ako at 299 pesos lang talaga yung ring na ibibigay ko sa kanya for whatever reason, I would say, honey baby love, ito muna ngayon bawi ako sa'yo next time. Let this be a symbol of our love na muna. Let this ring say that you are the one and only person that I want to be with forever.
dumi-dumi mo!
But then again, they have no clear communications nga kasi kaya this whole thing blew up like it has right now. So yun lang naman masasabi ko dito no mga sigarilyo, and please, communication practice and develop that trait sa mga karelasyon nyo. And that's what I have to say for now, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you again next time. Peace.